a permanent marker and a thin Sharpie. You don't need to use any type of Sharpie. You can use pencils or pens. You can use whatever you need. And then you can color your snake whatever color you'd like, but we're using a green crayon. So we are sorry about lately, we haven't been posting lately because we have this other channel and we have been working on it. It's a gaming channel and it's called Bao Plays. And it's about me gaming. You guys can check it out if you want. And if you like it, please subscribe because that will make me really happy. So let's just get to the video. Okay, so you're gonna take out your permanent marker. And at the top, near the middle, we're gonna draw a C, but a super round C like that. Awesome, okay. Now we're gonna draw another circle, but it needs to be blocking it. So it looks like the eyes are blocking each other. Yup. Now we're gonna draw two lines. Yeah, but it's gonna be like this, and then it's gonna be like a pebble. This is like a pebble, like a rock. So just draw that.
I'm gonna make a huge
That looks awesome.
Like a boot.
Okay. Now we're gonna just draw a big smiley face. You don't need to draw the smiley face. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make it come out a little. And you can make it squiggly, or you can make it long, or you can make it curved. But I'm just gonna make it curved a little. And then you're gonna draw a V shape. Good job, that looks super cool. Okay, now, so we're gonna draw two little circles inside. It can be dizzy, or it can be looking up. It can be yeah. Ooh, that sort of looks like a cartoon. But anyways, you're gonna come here, draw a little line here. And you're gonna make it come down. And make sure it's a little slanted, Kaiden. Good job, that's good enough. Okay. Now for this one, you're gonna
add a little curve.
No, it's gonna be a little farther away.
Here?
Here. Yeah, that's good. And we're gonna add a curve.
Right there.
Okay, make sure it goes in. Yeah, that's good. Now we're gonna come over here and we're gonna draw the number 6. Draw the number 6. And make sure it does not come over here. Make sure it's touching at the top.
There.
And then here is the 3D-ish part. Okay, so we're gonna come over here and we're gonna draw another one. Make sure it's lower than this one. And it's fatter, okay. Now you're gonna make one come lower. Okay, now
we will add the tail.
Yup. So it can be a rattlesnake or any type of snake. Just add a random tail. Mine looks like a really fat tail. Okay, so guys, you can add spots or you can add stripes.
Or anything.
Yeah.
For your decoration.
Yeah, but we're gonna leave it plain. You guys can obviously do that yourselves. Yeah. And we're just gonna use our green to color the whole thing. And also the eyes have to be black because make the pupils black.
Alright, I'm going to use my smaller side.
You don't need to, but anyways. Okay, so I'm just gonna start coloring.
Can I do mine look nice?
Yeah, it looks super cool. Okay, so just start coloring it.
You flip it a little bit
Yeah, you can.
so you won't make a mistake.
This is how it should look like at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video.